Hi everyone, it's Valerie Gonzalez with Vesta Consulting Group Residential Realty at Keller Williams here in Atlanta. And one of the things that we're going to talk about today is taxes. We just finished paying our federal taxes. This one's not going to be so bad. We're going to talk about our property taxes. And we are about to be in the time of year where you're going to start receiving your tax assessment. And I've got an example of one here, and we'll put one in the graph so that you can see what this looks like. This is not a bill. It says it right there. It's not a bill. Do not send payment. This is just your assessment. This is how the county and city are going to determine what your taxes are. And this explains where that property tax money is actually being allotted to and where it's going. One of the things to keep in mind is that with this information, you'll have an opportunity to review your tax bill to see whether or not it's on target. Is it a little low? Here's hoping. Is it too high? If it is too high, this piece of paper will tell you what your deadline for appealing your taxes will be. So this is something to really keep an eye out on. And if you do need to appeal your taxes, give us a call and we can help you walk through what that process will look like. And we can help you with some solds and some comparables to help you appeal the taxes. But today we're just going to focus on what the assessment looks like and what it explains. One of the great things about the assessment is that it'll give you an opportunity to verify that you indeed have a homestead exemption. So remember, if your home is your primary residence, you should have a homestead exemption on it because that is the one-time gift that the state of Georgia gives you for being a property owner and having a primary residence. So where you look to see whether or not you have a homestead exemption is right here. This is the property description, property information. It has your address. It has your property ID number, also known as like the tax ID number for the property, and your information of whether or not the homestead exemption is in place. In this particular case, it is in place. So you should see a yes under the homestead exemption. Then you can look at the appraised value of the property and the 40% assessed value. This house happens to be in the city of Atlanta, Fulton County, so the assessed value is 40%. And when we go down here, you can see all of the different payments, or the breakdown, I should say, of where your property tax bill is going, right? So we've got Fulton County tax, so that's the first three numbers are the Fulton County tax, and then the rest of the numbers are the Atlanta General, Atlanta Bonds, Atlanta School Operation, Atlanta Parks, and that gives us the total city tax. Those two taxes combined, again, because this is City of Atlanta, Fulton County, are going to give us the total estimated tax for the year. So this assessment is from 2022, and the total estimated tax is down here. If that number looks good to you, then nothing to do, just you're good. You don't need to appeal. If you think it's high, then you should give us a call and we can look through your assessment and look at the comparables and the solds and see how they're evaluating your property, and then we can help you with that appeal. And again, just remember, this is not a bill. It's going to come out sometime in the next 30 to 45 days. Last year's came out right in mid-June, and last year we had until August 1st to appeal it. That is property tax assessment. It's property tax assessment season. They're coming out in the next month and a half. If you have any questions, as always, we are here to help. Please don't hesitate to reach out.